part of the eye went by, so I mean, these trees were freaking laid all the way over. God. Oh, I got another tree just in front of me. We better like. Probably a 4 or 5 foot deep hole there. There's just nothing but the roots. I'm really scared that these things are going to come down. Look at how far that one's leading. They're going to have to come down later. I don't trust them anymore. And if this wind shifts direction and goes back the other way, even though it's downgraded to like a tropical storm, I mean, we're still taking brunt. It's only 18 miles from the coast, so... shit. They said there was a flash flood warning until noon here. I think we can, if the rain doesn't get any worse than this, I don't think anything else is going to come up, but I think we're going to end up getting a lot more rain. I just can't believe how many trees I lost. Out behind the pond, I must have heard 1,000 snaps. Now, these trees aren't meant to take this. I thought for sure that some of these trees would take it. The worst ones are these maples. I lost an oak. I've lost a few oaks now, but some of these maples just tip right over. Or they snap. The maples have been snapping. Weak tree. I was going to insert a Canadian joke, and then I had to go through my friends list in my head. But... okay, ciao.